Welcome to week 6 of Hexter 2 of Physics. Very important update here. Make sure you contact me if you have any questions. Down here is my contact information. So let me go over weeks 5 and 6. You should have started on some of this last week, but here we go. Weekly objectives. We're going to graph velocity versus time. Know the meaning of acceleration, recognize when motion is accelerated, okay, and you can read the rest yourself. Physics dictionary assignment, clicking on that here, and it's loading now. Only one word for you to write down by hand, acceleration. Write that down in your physics dictionary. All right, now don't do anything in this folder, just as it says. Physics notes. That's just a set of notes that you can print out to help you, set of blank notes to help you with this week. You can print out the information, you can take your notes on this sheet that is attached. If you go to lesson 1, acceleration and velocity versus time graphs, okay, this is a video that a colleague of mine did, and it's very good on acceleration formula. So just go through that, get an idea of the terms of acceleration and velocity, and it will explain the differences. There is a assignment here. What is acceleration? Explain positive and negative. When you get to these math questions you have to do, I'm just going to say this. Do the best you can. I know we're all at different levels of math, and if it's math you haven't had yet, then don't freak out about it. Just give it your best attempt to complete it. As long as I'm seeing you're attempting. Now, another assignment, velocity graphs. Okay, so this is going to go over how to determine and interpret graphs on time and velocity. So just watch that video. And then there's an assignment for that here, finding distance and displacement. Okay, do the best you can on this assignment. And this will all be based on the material you've just gone over. Converting between graphs, there's an assignment there. First, there's a lesson here, converting between graphs. Tells you how to convert between graphs. A lot of videos this week. And then there's a short assignment, converting between graphs. Again, I know that we're all at different levels in math and graphing. Do the best you can. And as long as you're attempting it and submitting it to me, I will take that into consideration for your grade. Okay. Then there's this last moving man simulation. Okay. And it's to solidify your knowledge in motion, velocity, and acceleration. This is the last week of Hexter 2, our beginning Hexter. I'll review some information with you on Wednesday. If you get most of these assignments done, that's going to get you past the Hexter. Okay, this is the meat of the unit here. Okay, this is what the important content that you need to know. So try to get most of this done, and you'll be in good shape for the Hexter. Any questions? Again, here's my contact information. Message me right through Schoology. You'll find all this on the materials page in the physics course. And in this, of course, this update will be posted at least one place, maybe two. So have a great final week. I'll be in touch with all of you. Feel free to message me. I'll be messaging you guys this week, making sure that you finish up the course in good shape.